Hello guys, let me show you a simple strategy that I'm using to grow $10 account to $1,000. And with this strategy you will go long in the market. You can exit the market anytime you want. Now I use as you can see, I use 4 to 5 indicators here for this strategy. I used MACD, I use moving average, I use CCI, and I use RSI. So stay with me at the end of this video. I am going to show you the settings of the indicator. Let me show you when you will enter the market first before I will show you the indicators used here. So guys, as you can see on our main window, the moving average is there now, and what we are looking at now is the crossing of the moving average for sell above. When the moving average cross above the candlestick for sell, you look at your CCI. Is your CCI touching the 0 level? If yes, that means it's ready. And you look at your MACD, making sure that your MACD is touching the 80 level. If your MACD touch the 80 level here, you wait for the red MACD to cross below the 80, and as you can see here now, your candlestick is below the moving average, so it is ready to sell. It is super ready to sell. So you will enter your trade, you will enter for sell, and you will put your stop loss. You will put your stop loss above the moving average. You put your stop loss above the moving average, so that if you go back, if you pull back before selling, you will not lose much. If you are not watching your trade, guys, you will not lose much, guys. That's why stop loss is very important. You will use this strategy to grow a $10 account to $1,000 account if you are a serious trader, guys. So let me show you for buy. Volatility 75. Let me show you for buy, guys, in case if you want to buy volatility 75. Let me show you volatility 75. So guys, this is not a very good buy. So guys, here is one for a buy. So you will now make sure that your MACDs are below the 20 level. You make sure that the red MACD cross above the 20 level for a buy. When it has crossed the 20 level, the next thing you will look at is your MACD, is your CCI. Is your CCI above the 100 level? For instance, as you can see it here now, is above the 100 level. You look at your main chart now. Is your moving average below the candlestick? If yes, that means the buy is ready. That means the buy is ready. So what you will now do is to enter for buy. When you saw this, CCI here, sorry, this is for sell. When you saw your CCI above the 100 level, which is within here, that is where you will enter your trade, within here, guys. Then when you enter, you put your stop loss. When you enter, you put your stop loss below the moving average. You will take it up. Let's check, guys. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It came down again and cut off your stop loss here. And even if you take here, is a very good profit, or even you take here, is a very good profit, and it's a long trade for you. Are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing it? He pull back, he has to go back again. After pulling back, he go back again before coming down, guys. Are you seeing it? This strategy, guys, it works for volatility index. It also works for crash and boom. So let's quickly check crash boom 1000. if we can see that strategy, guys. As you can see, are you seeing the strategy here? Guys, are you seeing the strategy? This is for sale. This is for sale. It has to cross here, but as you can see now, our moving average is still below the candlestick. Is not yet ready. It has to come back again here, guys. Now our moving average crossed, and you can see your CCI touching the 0 level. So it's a very good sell. If you sell here, you will make before. Like now we are expecting spike here at the junction here. We are expecting pullback. Are you seeing it? Had even you saw this, we enter your trade here, you put your stop loss above here, you take some candlestick, you leave the market, guys. You leave the market. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, guys. Just make sure that all the condition met. If you see that all the condition met, you enter. When you are okay, you leave the market. When you are okay, you leave the market, guys. You leave the market. If I enter this trade, this is the time for me to leave the market. This is the time for me, because now I am expecting spike at this junction. I am expecting spike. So I will leave the market from here, guys. I will leave the market from here. It's selling, but it's going to pull back before it will continue selling. It's going to pull back before it's continue selling. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the indicator used here. Let me show you. Let's go to our indicator settings. So here is our indicator settings. Here is our indicator settings. So here are the indicators. So guys, we use a moving average on our main chart. Here is the moving average. We use moving average period 48, shift 0, method linear way, apply to close, style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. You click save. You click save. I hope you are screenshotting it. Screenshot it, guys. So on our window 1, we use relative strength index. Relative strength index. We use period 2, apply to close, style 2 pixel. Use the background that you are using. If you are using black, you use black. If you are using white, you use white. Then here is our level. We use level 30. We use level 70, which this level now is not what we are supposed to use. We are supposed to use level 0 and level 100. That is the level that we need in this place now. So you go back here, you click your save. So guys, the next indicator on our window 2, we still have relative strength index. These guys, we have period 2, apply to close, still the same style with the previous one. Then our level in this one is 80 and 20. That is the level that we need here. So guys, you come back, you click save. So guys, here is the indicator. So the next indicator now is MACD. This is our MACD, guys. We are using fast EMA, we use 12, slow EMA, we use 26, MACD SMA, we use 9, apply to close. Then the main chart there, we use black. The signal chart, we use red. Are you seeing it? So guys, you have to come here now, you click it save. So this is the indicator, guys. These are the indicators that we use for these strategies, guys. So make sure you screenshot it and set it if you love the strategy. So guys, I think I'll come to the end of this video now. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share it to your loved ones so that they can also benefit from this strategy. Thank you guys for always coming back. I love you guys so much. See you guys on my next video. Bye for now.